Good evening. Video message for John. Hi John, I'm just back from work and I've taken off the bar and the chain. Thanks for buying another saw, the Alpina 55 Professional. She's a gorgeous saw, well, gorgeous running saw, wow. I'd love to hear how you get on if you start to use her. She just cuts amazing. Okay, so haven't run her since I did the video. Let's see how she runs tonight. Throttle lock, bit of choke. Yeah. Okay, many thanks, John. And I hope, sir, she serves you well. And hope we have many more deals to come. Bye for now.